Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook luncheon meat. Pan frying is a quick and easy method to get a delicious, crispy exterior. First, slice your luncheon meat into even pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Then, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with just a touch of oil. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. It's a simple way to enjoy this versatile ingredient. If you're looking for a slightly healthier option, baking is a fantastic choice. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange your luncheon meat slices on a baking sheet, making sure they don't overlap. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This method yields a less greasy result while still achieving a lovely texture. For a wonderful smoky flavor, grilling luncheon meat is an excellent idea. Start by preheating your grill to a medium heat and make sure those grates are nice and clean. Lightly brush both sides of your luncheon meat slices with a little oil. Then, grill them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they're ready when you see those appealing char marks and a delicious aroma fills the air. Now that your luncheon meat is perfectly cooked, let's talk about how to enjoy it. It's fantastic in sandwiches, especially with a fried egg, or as a savory side for breakfast. You can also dice it up and toss it into fried rice, noodles, or even omelets for an extra burst of flavor. For a quick snack, try pairing it with some cheese and crackers. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.